Welcome to the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at NewsRamp.com. It's Friday evening, September 5th, 2025, and we have a lineup of finance headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
Beeline Holdings, NAS BLNE, insider buying led by COO's 100,000 share purchase. Beeline Holdings, traded on NASDAQ under the symbol BLNE, recently saw a significant increase in insider buying, signaling management's confidence in the company's future. COO Jessica Kennedy led the way with a purchase of 100,000 shares, followed by CFO Chris Moe with 20,000 shares and CAO Tiffany Milton with 10,000 shares. CEO and co-founder Nick Liuzza also added 3,000 shares to his holdings, now totaling over $16 million. The executive team's commitment to aligning with shareholders is evident in these purchases, reflecting their belief in Beeline's growth strategy and long-term success.
A news breaks Beeline Holdings, Inc. BLNE to present at Centurion One Capital Summit in Bahamas. Beeline Holdings, Inc. BLNE will present at the Centurion One Capital Summit in the Bahamas on October 28 to 29, 2025. CEO and co-founder Nick Liuzza, CFO Chris Moe, and COO Jessica Kennedy will showcase Beeline's growth strategy and market opportunity to investors. Beeline Holdings is a mortgage fintech company revolutionizing property financing with its AI-powered platform, offering a faster and smarter way to secure home loans. Headquartered in Providence, Rhode Island, Beeline prioritizes speed, simplicity, and transparency in mortgage origination. Investor news breaks. Beeline Holdings, Inc., NASDAQ BLNE, insider buying led by COO's 100,000 share purchase. Beeline Holdings, Inc., NASDAQ BLNE, has reported a significant wave of insider buying, showcasing management's confidence in the company's direction. Chief Operating Officer Jessica Kennedy led the activity with a purchase of 100,000 shares, followed by CFO Chris Moe with 20,000 shares and CAO Tiffany Milton with 10,000 shares. CEO Nick Liuzza also increased his holdings by 3,000 shares, totaling his personal investment in Beeline to over $16 million. This move reflects leadership's strong belief in Beeline's growth strategy and alignment with long-term investors. Beeline Holdings is a mortgage fintech company based in Providence, Rhode Island, revolutionizing property financing through its digital platform. For more information, visit the company's newsroom at the provided link.
Investor news breaks Money Show to host 2025 Toronto Conference on September 12-13. Money Show, a leading producer of financial conferences, will host the 2025 Money Show Toronto Conference on September 12-13 at the Metro Toronto Convention Centre North. The event will feature sessions led by experts in economics, market analysis, and trading, along with interactive sessions, keynote addresses, and networking opportunities. Attendees can explore topics such as Canada-US relations, Ottawa politics, real estate, metals and mining, and Bank of Canada policy. Notable speakers include professionals from Ayande Investing Group, ETF Capital Management, Wealthy Kids Investment Club, Fiscal.ai, Keystone Financial, 9 Point Partners LP, and CIBC Capital Markets. The event will also include Canadian Money Saver Day, a real estate investing track, and an exhibit hall showcasing products and deals. Money Show has partnered with IBN as the official media sponsor. For more information, visit Money Show's website.
YY Group Holding Limited partners with B2I Digital to expand investor awareness of technology platforms. YY Group Holding Limited has partnered with B2I Digital to enhance investor awareness of its technology platforms. B2I Digital will showcase YY Group's on-demand staffing and integrated facility management business, serving over 300 clients in 12 countries. B2I Digital will focus on educating investors about YY Group's growth, financial performance, and market expansion. YY Group's dual technology platforms have garnered significant market traction, with revenue growth of 29.3% in 2024. The partnership aims to communicate YY Group's growth story and expansion plans to the investment community. Through its innovative platforms, YY Group connects businesses with on-demand workers and provides IoT-enabled cleaning management solutions, catering to a diverse customer base.
2025 Money Show Toronto to feature 50-plus experts sharing top ideas with 1,000-plus attendees. The 2025 Money Show Toronto will feature over 50 financial industry leaders, economists, analysts, and traders sharing their top strategies with 1,000 Canadian and U.S. investors. Scheduled for September 12 to 13 at the Metro Toronto Convention Centre North, the conference will offer insights into the future of Canadian and U.S. markets. Attendees will learn the best investment strategies for 2025-2026. To learn more, visit the InvestorWire website. InvestorWire is a specialized communications platform focusing on press release syndication for private and public companies and the investment community.
Financial markets are propelling forward the renewables movement in Spain. Financial markets are playing an increasingly important role in driving Spain's renewable energy movement. The country's stock market has become a strong ally to green energy, leading an investment shift that is reshaping the Iberian Peninsula's energy landscape. Major companies like Iberdrola, Acciona Energía, and Solaria are giving Spain a significant advantage in integrating more renewable energy into national grids. This shift is also complemented by technologies like electric vehicles made by Bollinger Innovations, Inc. As the renewables movement gains momentum, Spain is paving the way for a greener future.
Telvantis Inc. releases shareholder letter. Telvantis Inc., a U.S.-based technology-driven telecommunications and enterprise solutions provider, recently released a shareholder letter gratitude to shareholders, team, and partners. The company reported strong positive momentum in the first half of 2025, aiming to reach $250 to $300 million in revenues. Operational improvements, new product offerings, and strategic acquisitions are driving growth. Telvantis plans to uplist to a major exchange in 2026, exploring various paths for expansion. Shareholder feedback is valued, with transparency and responsiveness being key. The Reg A offering has almost reached its target, demonstrating immediate value creation. Management is committed to long-term goals and optimizing earnings per share. Telvantis remains focused on capitalizing on opportunities and navigating industry uncertainties. Sincerely, Daniel Contreras, CEO.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.